Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First of all, please open Google Chrome on your device. Okay, and then here you can click the following option. After that, you can click Settings here. And then you can select Theme. Okay, and then to activate the dark mode, you can select this option. Okay, and then dark mode on your Google Chrome has been successfully applied. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.